Alright guys, today I'm going to be riding the Gixxer 750 YCDG's bike. He's going to be riding my Z1000. We're both going to be giving reviews about what we think about each other's bikes. And obviously this is a straight up sports bike instead of my Naked, which is very aggressive, and compared to mine, I bet you're not used to sitting that straight up.
Not that, the fucking grip.
Yeah. Well, that's why we're gonna change it.
That's so annoying.
Manual labor. Huh? Yeah. He's already complaining. Oh. Holy shit. Ooh. Alright. Oh. This is so different. I'm so bent over. But oh god. Hey, let's get it. What the fuck? This is fucking wild. I can't go too crazy because it is this is weird. I'm used to it on the other side. It feels so comfortable though. I'm not used to this, but pros, it's fucking sick as shit. Cons, I'm not used to being this fucking back. Feels so nice though. Definitely. Oh fuck. This is definitely a good ass move though. Bro, I just barely twist the throttle and this shit comes up. Make sure to check out YCDG. We'll have a different video where I can actually fully test the power of this, but right now it's like traffic. I'm gonna wait until I get up here more, but it's honestly comfortable. Like obviously probably not even sitting right. Feels so clean though. I'm gonna see if I can do a pull. What the fuck? What the fuck? This shit wild. Dude, this is so much fun. What the fuck? I know this will be a quick little video, but this was so much fun. I've yet to do a natural pull, but what the fuck? This is not fair. I want this.